Yo, me general wagon. I'm just checking out, no product around there.
Yo, who you? Yo, who you? Talk fast, you know. Me a button up shirt, talk fast, you know.
No. Ratty, my bedroom, man. I know Ratty, man.
Oh, mine, you know.
So, you know nothing around there.
Right, you want to know, say, the stash I run out, you know. One bag alone left.
Oh, one bag alone you have.
Say, one bag alone left.
So, how much I take off?
Well, right, you know. To a thing set them bag I go for grand, you know.
For one bag? No, part.
You know, it's alright. I take myself, you know. I come ask about price.
No. Alright.
Hey, you mind what you're doing?
Alright.
Mind what you're doing, you.
Alright.
I come question man bag, you know. You're grand for the bag, is either you don't want it or you want
to
it.
the grand, yeah. A farm I work for this, you know, so I'm not going to make it just cost so. You see me, so...
Money me I do right now, send out my cash.
Pay feet.
Come ask man, like say. Like say, don't feel like say, boy. Man supply, right, yo. Mind what you're doing, youth. That's the thing, yeah.
I'm a general. Yo! You a long time, you know, see one of them in a party. Oh, God, man. Oh, God. Yo, scandal bag of that. This thing to see a road right now, dog. So, you see me? Me respect you.
Yo, cut that. Cut all that friendly stuff there, yo. Me don't know you. You don't know me. Me know where you get the bag there from. Lift up from yourself.